It's time. It's time to make a movie. It's hard to imagine a state running its own prison farm, but that's exactly what the Commonwealth of Massachusetts did more than 100 years ago. It was out in Rutland, Mass. It's long gone, but I took a ride out to see what was left. In 1903, the Massachusetts Prison Commission acquired about 900 acres of land in Rutland, Mass. And they built a prison camp, and about 100 prisoners lived on this camp. They were mostly minor offenders or folks nearing the end of a prison sentence, kind of like a halfway house today. It was a working farm. They raised chicken, they raised sheep, they grew vegetables, they milked cows, and they consumed this food to sustain the camp, and they also sold some of the food to actually raise funds to operate the camp. In 1907, the state added a tuberculosis hospital that served about 100 patients from throughout the Massachusetts prison system that suffered with TB. In the 1930s, Massachusetts was in the process of developing the Quabbin Reservoir in central Mass, and the prison camp sat in that watershed. So they decided to shut the camp down, they tore the buildings down, and the only thing that remains are the foundations and the concrete remnants of that camp. There are still 59 former prisoners buried in a cemetery on the camp, but otherwise it's just a state park today. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed, please think about subscribing, liking, and/or commenting down below. I'll see you real soon in the next video. Thanks a lot.